Welcome to Tech Blueprint, a window that lets you know the latest technology news in the world. In the global semiconductor industry, EUV lithography machines have always been regarded as the key artifact for manufacturing advanced chips. ASML, a Dutch company, as the overlord in this field, integrates the world's top technology and supply chain resources with its EUV lithography machines, becoming a scarce resource that chip manufacturers from all over the world are scrambling to buy. However, in this war without gunpowder, China's semiconductor industry is quietly rewriting the rules of the game in an unprecedented manner. Foreign media have also said that the market for EUV lithography machines has suddenly changed. In recent years, under the heavy pressure of external technology blockades and market restrictions, China's semiconductor industry has not chosen to succumb, but has risen to the challenge and increased its efforts in independent research and development. This scene was vividly demonstrated at the Shanghai International Semiconductor Exhibition, Semicon China 2025. Xinkailai, as a leader among many Chinese semiconductor equipment manufacturers, caused a sensation when it debuted. It brought dozens of domestic semiconductor equipment, covering the entire process of chip manufacturing from diffusion, etching to thin film deposition, showing China's comprehensive layout and rapid progress in the field of semiconductor equipment. Among them, the most eye-catching is the 28 nanometers immersion lithography machine SSA 800i. The process parameters of this lithography machine are catching up with the international mainstream level, which not only marks a major breakthrough in China's lithography machine technology, but also indicates that China is gradually narrowing the gap with the international advanced level in the field of high-end chip manufacturing. All this happened in the context of global chip giants still fighting for EUV lithography machine production capacity, which is particularly eye-catching. However, China's breakthrough is not limited to the equipment itself. China has also made significant progress in the core component of lithography machines' light source technology. The breakthrough in solid-state deep ultraviolet (DUV) light source technology announced by the Chinese Academy of Sciences is undoubtedly a blockbuster in China's lithography machine breakthrough. This technology abandons the argon fluoride gas excitation scheme that has been used for 40 years and uses a new YAG crystal to generate 1030 nanometers fundamental frequency light, and then generates 193 nanometers ultraviolet light through fourth harmonic conversion. This innovation not only reduces the size of the equipment by 30% and reduces energy consumption by 40%, but also creates a 193 nanometers vortex beam for the first time, providing a new path for multiple exposure processes. In the more advanced EUV field, China did not choose to follow ASML's footsteps, but took a disruptive technical route. The laser-induced discharge plasma (LDP) technology developed by Harbin Institute of Technology and the Chinese Academy of Sciences excites tin vapor to produce 13.5 nanometers extreme ultraviolet light through high-voltage discharge between electrodes. This technical architecture simplifies the droplet generator and high-frequency laser, so that the energy efficiency jumps from 2% of ASML to 4.5%, and the equipment cost is reduced by 30%. More importantly, This technology completely circumvents ASML's patent blockade and opens up a new path for China's independent development in the field of EUV lithography. These breakthroughs in China are not isolated, but are accompanied by the rapid development of the entire semiconductor industry. In 2023, the sales of domestic semiconductor equipment will increase by 40% year-on-year to 45 billion yuan, and the market size of lithography machines will also expand at an average annual growth rate of 6%. It is estimated that by 2025, the scale of China's lithography market will exceed $30 billion. These data not only show the strong growth momentum of China's semiconductor industry, but also indicate that China is gradually getting rid of external dependence in the field of lithography and achieving independent control. ASML has obviously felt the pressure of the rapid changes in the Chinese market. Its financial report shows that the Chinese market contributed 36.1% of its revenue in 2024. In order to delay the process of China's independent substitution, ASML is urgently adjusting its strategy and trying to seize market share by exporting 1980 Di model DUV equipment. However, a fact that cannot be ignored is that the localization rate of China's semiconductor equipment has climbed from 4.38% in 2013 to 17.57% in 2023, and the number of lithography-related patents has increased by 300% in 5 years. These data undoubtedly show that China's independent research and development and innovation capabilities in the field of lithography are rapidly improving, and ASML's delaying tactics may be difficult to work. Looking to the future, the rise of China's semiconductor industry is an unstoppable trend. With the continuous advancement of technology and the improvement of the industrial chain, China is expected to achieve greater breakthroughs in the field of lithography. Foreign giants such as ASML will also have to face a reality. China is gradually getting rid of the constraints of EUV lithography and embarking on its own path of semiconductor development. Although this road is full of challenges and difficulties, the Chinese semiconductor industry has proved its strength and determination with practical actions. I believe that in the near future, China will shine more brightly on the stage of the global semiconductor industry.